Sourcing best sellers for your store? Find exactly what you need here. When girls build their own looks, aesthetic taste grows naturally. Mix, match, and repeat. This is how just one more outfit starts.
My daughter's dream came true. Her pop-up scene book finally arrived. It opens into a 3D fashion boutique. Each set features a beautiful princess, plus tons of clothes and accessories. The magnetic pieces mean endless play. Create stylish new looks for your princess. Playing boosts fine motor skills and focus, and sparks creativity too.
When every outfit tells a story, kids keep styling and parents keep smiling. When kids can play independently, parents call it a must-have at home. When everything packs back neatly, it feels worth it every time. When girls can style their own looks, sharing and reorders both follow. STEAM Quiet Book Shooting Game. Build the elastic band blaster, test it, tweak it, and try again. STEAM Quiet Book Coloring Series. The painting set lets kids color it their way and actually feel proud of the result. STEAM Hands-on Crazy Basketball. Sports plus competition makes it a go-to pick for families and playdates. Magnetic Puzzle One-Day Art Museum. Coaster puzzles are perfect add-ons, easy to bundle and easy to move. You're not buying from a middleman, this is a real factory. Safety isn't a slogan here, it's a test report. Watch orders print all day. Want this kind of sell-through? Whether it's cartons or full containers, we can ship worldwide. Ready to stock, winners? See more on our website.